Make sure everyone watches to the end to find out who's the lucky winner of the Lucas Slick Mist detailing kit. What is up, everybody, and welcome to the channel. I've been out for a short while. Sorry for the lack of content. I've been meaning to do this update video. Things are starting to get back on track, and a while back I did a video asking for all your help about picking out the right set of tires for the second gen Ram mud truck to show truck project build that we got going on out here at Jeff's Auto Body and Customs here in Sweet Valley, PA. Well, here it is. And for the ones that commented, we had 4 comments on that video where I asked you guys for help. There was one guy that was the closest to it, but we'll get to that later on in this video. But I just want to give you guys a little update on how the truck is looking and what is going on here. And let's just move this out of the way and we'll get back to this. We are definitely making progress on it, and we are getting it all back together. I think the last time I showed you guys, we might have been painting the cab, and then we did the tire reveal. So let me post a picture of what the truck looked like when we first started. So if you are new to the channel, so here's what they look like. And here is some of the progress. Up throwing a couple pictures or videos of whatnot to get you guys caught up with what's been going on with the truck. We haven't shown much of it yet because we've been busy on it, like I says. But here is some of the unforeseen videos that I've taken. So here are those. As you can see, we got the doors. These are the rear doors, all painted up. And here are the front doors, which we just sprayed the outside of them because we're cutting them in, and then we're gonna flip these and the hood and then paint the top sides, which they'll be painted tomorrow. Yeah, that's a good spot right there on the doors. You can see how we cut them in. And then what we'll do is feather this all in, and then we spray the other side. But there are the doors, and we also got some of the other accessories all painted up. So now let me show you what the truck looks like now and what aspect that we are in. But here is the second gen Ram mud truck to show truck project build. And as you can see, we do have the doors, and all the glass is now in the truck. And we also have everything on the engine is all done. We are pretty much well set with doing it, which we already fired it up. And just here's a couple spots that we just have to buff out, that we actually have to buff out the whole truck. But here's the what it looks like now. We got the headlights installed. We still got to mock up the front bumper. We got to get the bed done, and I'll take you guys around, which today we are going to be installing the hood. And here's the hood. We got the glass yet to clean up, and the interior, we still need to redo all the interior and install that yet. I just don't know if I'm putting an aftermarket sound system in here yet, which I'm thinking about it, but we didn't get that far yet. How about you guys comment down below if we should go with a full-blown audio system in this? But here's a little close-up look of the paint and stuff like that. Underneath, then coming along around the other side. And here's the other side of the inside of the cab. That's pretty much, well, the update that we have on it. There was a lot of things that that we needed to do to we'd get something done, and then we'd have to tend back to it, or something didn't work right. But I will definitely do a later on video on some of the issues that we did have with the truck, putting it back together, what things needed to be addressed a little bit more, because there was a lot more things that happened that we didn't foresee coming. But let me throw a video clip in here of us turning the truck around, so this way you guys have an idea of what it sounds like. All right, so now back to the tires and wheels. So I did ask you guys for your help on picking out the right tires for this that would complement this build, and let me show you them.
Girls with their nails done. Girls with their nails done. Girls with their nails done.
There was Shane Otto, and he recommended that I went with the one in the middle, which I think he was referring to the Yokohama's Geolanders. And then we had Iron Horse Garage, which they recommended that we went with the Toyos, MTs, the mud terrains. He says they last a long time. And then we had Mike Yerke. He says go buy his ply, the bigger the better, which I do like that concept. And then we had Bill Higgins, who says to go with the Mickey Thompson, the new ones. Well, I'd like to congratulate Bill Higgins on winning the Lucas Slick Mist Detailing Kit for being the one that guessed the right set of tires that we ended up going with. So Bill, we will be contacting you and getting your information off you so we could get this Slick Miss kit out to you. Well guys, I hope you liked this little video of the update that we did on the 2nd Gen Ram Mud Truck to Show Truck project build out here. But if you are new to the channel, hit down on that like, comment, and subscribe button. And if we didn't win your subscription on this video, well, maybe on the next one we will. Well, till next time, I'm Joe. Driving trucks and hunting bucks is how I roll with Wicked Fabz.